Hey, you. Are you still living paycheck? If so, then you are on the wrong path. The millionaires always suggests to stop this type of lifestyle. Even Sir Warren Buffett, Elon Musk has said many times to prevent this habit. But the negative part is that no one will tell you that how can you stop this, and if they speak about this also they will tell you to increase earning and live frugally. But believe me, there are many ways to prohibit living paycheck to paycheck. Well, in this video we tell you those ways by which you can easily stop living pay to pay. So let's begin with those tricks step by step. 1. Know the amount of money you have in your bank account. You wouldn't operate a vehicle that lacked a speedometer or gasoline indicator. Why then go about your daily business without understanding how much money is in the bank? One of the simplest methods to make sure you aren't wasting money you can't afford is to do this. Make sure to frequently access your bank's website or verify the balance when using an ATM. 2. Make modest adjustments. The latte factor, a theory developed by financial analyst David Bach, contends that apparently insignificant small expenditures of fast food, periodicals, coffee, and bottled water can build up over time. Consider the minor adjustments to your daily expenditures that you could make to increase the amount you are able to save. For instance, giving up caffeine could result in annual savings of $1,638, or $3,210 if you carry your meal to work. If you want to know more related to personal financing, then do subscribe our channel and also hit the notification bell to get regular updates. 3. Prevent access to money. When you have chocolate in the kitchen cabinets in abundance, it's simple to overindulge. It's important to keep it out of the home. It's simpler than ever to obtain money, and it remains the same. Now that Sezzle is available, we can pay with our phones, withdraw cash from ATMs without using our cards, and purchase a new wardrobe on the way home from work. So make it more difficult to spend money by canceling the credit card, closing Sezzle, and more. The harder it is to spend, the less likely you are to give in to temptation. 4. Automatically save money. Having your payroll manager transfer a part of your pay each pay period into a different bank account is one of the simplest methods to stop living paycheck to paycheck. Make this an extra contribution over and above the required minimal repayment if you are paying off debt. There is less likelihood that you will spend it if it is deducted from your salary without your knowledge. 5. Do not automate your expenses. Small regular expenditures like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Spotify are incredibly simple to commit to. However, over time, these apparently insignificant but regular costs really build up. Always estimate how much something will cost you over the course of a year before deciding to buy it to help you resist temptation. 6. Keep your salary raise. You recently received a salary raise, and now your Toyota is out of keeping with your increased revenue. So you purchase a brand new car. You obviously need a new wardrobe to go with your vehicle, and your furnishings could stand to be updated as well. Financial advisors are scratching their heads in alarm over the earn more, spend more problem, which is known as lifestyle creep. Many individuals find that their spending grows along with their money. Don't be a victim. If you receive a pay raise or incentive, move the additional funds to your savings instead of raising your standard of living to meet. Putting money aside each pay period is the only way to stop living paycheck to paycheck, and receiving a pay raise is the perfect chance to do this. 7. Review your expenditures. Nowadays, lifestyles are better than ever. Just a few years ago, certain things were deemed luxurious, but now they are commonplace. Social media's current role in society isn't helping either. It's understandable why some people feel pressured to keep up, especially with the rise of Instagram superstars who show us the life we're ostensibly losing out on. You should be aware that many individuals who seem to be enjoying life's finer pleasures may not necessarily be able to purchase them. The amount of debt held by American families is crippling and stopping them from ever improving their financial situation. Examine your money mindset to discover the true reasons behind your purchasing, and make an effort to purchase mindfully. Everybody else is losing out on building their financial future, so if you ever feel like you're missing out, know that you aren't. 8. Make contact with a money advisor. Visit a financial advisor. It's one of the most beneficial things you can do if you're worried about your ability to accumulate money for the future. Even if your financial situation is secure, getting advice from a financial advisor to evaluate it in light of the shifting economic landscape is always a smart move. Creating a framework with the help of a financial advisor will help you with budgeting and cash flow management, so you can get the most out of your money for your future objectives. Because you must pay the advisor, you might believe that money is being taken out of your bank account, but this is not the case. Your financial advisor will help you to boost your income and also help you to set a proper budget, and may assist you in increasing your saving. That's all for today. If you found this video useful, then do press the like button, and if you want more videos related to personal finance, then do subscribe our channel. We regularly update people with new money tricks to succeed financially, so do press the notification bell to get daily updates. Also share this video with your friends so that they become knowledgeable. If you have any query or suggestions, then feel free to comment it below. I will again come tomorrow with another amazing video. Till then, goodbye. Stay happy and tension-free with strategic finance.